Welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and in this video we're going to draw a long rectangular flower pot. First, let's draw the pot. It's in a rectangular shape. Let's decorate it with a pattern. Let's draw the first flower. I'm drawing the stem first to set how tall I want my flower plant to be. And then after that, I'm gonna draw the flower. This is how I draw the flower. Next, let's draw the leaves. For the second flower, I'm drawing the flower first. And then the stem, and continue with the leaves. And the third flower, the same. Let's draw the flower first. And then the stem and the leaves. Let's draw some pattern at the base of the petals to make it beautiful. And we're done. Let's color. For the flowers, the colors are purple, red, and pink. While for the stem and the leaves, they are in different shades of green. The top of the flower pot, this is gray, but I don't know why it turns out blue. And for the pattern, it's brown. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And it's done. They look so beautiful. See you next time.